Hi guys, I'm back. The good news is कि कल से since yesterday morning I have not had to take even a single dose of paracetamol or Combiflam. Completely asymptomatic, कोई fever नहीं है, कोई body aches नहीं है. I still have a little bit of cough, sore throat, little bit of postnasal drip, but luckily I have not had any other problems like problems in taste or problems in smell. And I think this will improve with some time as well. Now comes the interesting part, which is the exit strategy from COVID. What is my personal exit strategy? कहने का भाव ये है कि how should I go back about joining work? Now there are multiple different guidelines, and even these guidelines keep on changing every week and every month. Right now I plan to follow the American guideline, which is basically the current one is on 27th of December 2021. And they believe कि Omicron के चलते the best thing is 5 days from the day of testing, you isolate yourself. Once you're asymptomatic, then 5 days अगर हो गए total from the day of testing, you can come out, wear mask for the next 5 days. So अगर confusion है तो just कि once you're asymptomatic and a total 5 days have passed from the date you were diagnosed, you can come out, no need for any kind of testing, but अगले 5 दिन तक मास्क पहन के रखिए. So why no testing? Now this is interesting because a lot of people get confused. Remember, RT-PCR and rapid antigen will actually detect the dead virus in our nose also. So even if these viruses are no longer going to infect other people, ये फिर भी हमारे टेस्ट को पॉजिटिव कर सकते हैं. So these are great tests for diagnosing COVID, but these are not good tests for trying to see if person is still infective. Make sense? So no testing, straight away go back. What do I need to monitor? I need to monitor for fever, for the symptoms coming back over the next few days, because that could indicate a serious problem. और जो मैं अपने दोस्त की बात कर रहा था, the colleague doctor, he has the symptoms which are still persisting. उनका भी कोविड मेरे साथ ही हुआ है, but unfortunately उनका body aches, उनका fever persist कर रहा है. So this is the time when you need further testing, and he's getting the blood test done and he's following up with the doctor for this. Hopefully the same may not happen with me, and in case it doesn't, I should be cleared in the next few days, and I probably would not require any further testing. I did ask in the group when I shared my exit strategy with all the doctors about whether there is any role for doing things like a D-dimer, or is there any role for doing taking low dose aspirin because I have hypertension, etc. And the general consensus was there was no consensus. The recommendation was from nothing to taking 6 months of aspirin. But I guess, given the fact that Omicron is mild and hopefully I've had a mild disease with just a course of 2 to 3 days, I don't need to worry too much about doing anything in particular right now. I will check up with the cardiologist as well as soon as I get back to work though. Now, I will wear the mask for the next 5 days once I'm done. In any case, we are wearing masks in the clinic most of the times. Yeah, most of the times. अगर पूरे टाइम पहना होता ना तो शायद कोविड ही नहीं होता. That's not me, that's my wife saying, right? Care. So if you find what am I saying completely illogical, well, feel free to comment. If you like what I'm saying, subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and you can still let me know. This journey has been wonderful. I really have enjoyed sharing it with you, and आप लोगों के comments ने मुझे इतना inspire किया है because it has actually made me make these videos and share it with you. So many people actually commented after the second one saying please make the next one to make sure that you are fine, and so that हम अपने family members को, अपने friends को, अपने colleagues को भी इसके बारे में बता सकें. Hopefully the next video will be from the clinic, and I'll see you soon.